Let's check on the progress of our drawing. Going back to our sketch. So far everything looks like it should. It appears the only thing left to do now is to round off the corners of the back of the sofa. You'll notice it is a 6-inch radius that we have to place in there. So the command we're going to talk about now is the fillet command. Fillet command is going to allow us to do just that, round off the edges. And that's the icon located second from the bottom, fillet. And I'm going to select that now, clicking on it, and then looking at my command line. Current setting mode is set to trim, and the radius is set to 0. Always make sure that you have the right radius. Right now we would like to set that radius to 6 inches, and we don't have it set to that right now. So the next line reads, select first object, or the options are polyline, radius, trim, and multiple. I'm going to select the radius option, and as you can see, the R is capitalized, so that's the letter I need to type in. So I type R at the command line, and then enter. Specify fillet radius. Per the sketch, it is 6 inches. So I'm going to type in 6 and enter. Now it takes us back and requests that we select the first object. So what I'm going to do is select this line segment, the top part. And now the command line reads, select second object. Well, I would like these two objects to have that 6-inch radius, so I'm going to select this portion of the line. And just like that, we have the 6-inch radius. Let's zoom in there and look at that. Now it does not appear smooth. That does not mean that it's not going to print smooth. The screen resolution is limited, and it can only show us so much, and then it has to appear somewhat jagged. There's nothing wrong with your drawing. There's nothing wrong with what you're doing. When it prints out, your printer will print this as a nice curved arc. Let's zoom back, and let's do the same thing down here. And it may be a good idea to zoom in to this area. Now as you can see, the UCS icon is located right there. What I'm going to do is just pick the two line segments over here and over here. Let's do fillet again. If I look at the current setting, radius is already set to 6 inches. I don't have to do anything. It remembered that. So I can go ahead and select the first object. I'm going to pick this one. Select second object. I select this one. And just like that, we have the corner. Let me zoom extents. And there you have the drawing. Don't worry if the UCS icon is there, and don't think that it has a couple of lines right there, because that's not the case as you saw earlier. So with that, we have completed the sofa.